All right, today we're taking a look at both versions of the new HMX Cola Linears. These are brand new from HMX, and since they're in two versions right out of the gate, I'm going to take an early look at both of them. I've got the 3.5 millimeter, that's the standard HMX long pole, and the 3.8 millimeter near full travel long pole version here. They look like MX Blacks and MX Reds, but we'll ignore that. Same spring, same materials, same mold, same factory lube. The only real difference is the stem length and total travel. So this is going to be a really clean back-to-back comparison. Both switches are going into the Neo65 Core Plus, identical builds. We're going to have both colas on aluminum and no foam and GMK caps. The usual setup on this channel. Everything's going to stay consistent. I'm going to flash both spec sheets on side by side on the screen so you can see everything's identical except for the travel, and then we'll get into the full sound test for each one. I'm going to run a full sound test of this, full sound test of this, followed by a back-to-back. Here come the sound tests. Okay, these 3.8s are significantly worse, significantly noisier than the 3.5. These are not a buy. I am going to disqualify these. These are DQ. I would not go anywhere near this switch. This switch is extremely noisy despite the full travel. Have a listen. Versus the 3.5, which is significantly cleaner. Listen. Let me put it in a board. There's crap noises, ticking, all sorts of crunch, whatever. Multiple switches across the board. It's not isolated to just a couple. These are no good. These 3.8s, don't go anywhere near them. These 3.5s, very good. Clean clack, just like the HMX we're used to. These are a buy. These 3.8, no good. All right, after running both builds, spending some time typing on them, the results are clear. The 3.5 millimeter version, the one that looks like an MX Black, is solid. It's clean, consistent. It sounds like the way you'd expect an HMX Linear to sound. No weird noises, no surprises, just a good switch. The 3.8, the long travel version, closer to full travel, this one's a miss. I'm getting a bunch of unwanted noises. Sounds noisy and muddy. It just doesn't hold up next to a 3.5. Same mold, same material, same lube, same board. Longer travel version is not hitting. 3.8 is a don't buy. 3.5 gets a pass. Huge shout out to Unikeys for sending these out early. If you want to pick up the 3.5 version, I'll have my affiliate link and coupon code down below, code ShilohCutis for 7% off. Those help the channel a ton. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you really enjoyed the video, hit and want to go the extra mile, hit the super thanks. That's always appreciated. Grab me a coffee. Stick around. I've got a bunch more HMX coming soon. HMX Ash, HMX April, HMX Black Hat. And I believe I've got the Snowfalls and Valerians as well. All right. Peace out.